he gives us life eternal. These things have I written unto you that believe, that ye may know that ye have eternal life. 1 John chapter 5 verse 13. Recently I read that it will cost this country $100 billion to get one man safely to Mars. It cost God the priceless blood of His only Son to get us sinners to heaven. By tasting death for every man, Jesus took over our penalty as He erased our guilt. Now God can forgive. In a moment of thanksgiving, Paul once exclaimed, "He loved me and gave Himself for me." Will you repeat these words right now, even as you read? If you do, I believe you will have cause to be thankful too, and that you will experience the love of God in your heart. Try it and see. The Bible teaches that you can be absolutely sure that you are saved. Prayer for the day. Father, although my finite mind cannot understand all the wonders of the gospel, I thank you for the assurance of my salvation through Christ.